Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF document into your Weebly website. This is incredibly useful if you want to share downloadable resources, brochures, or any important files directly on your site for visitors to access. Let's dive right in and get this sorted out for you. First things first, open your browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Take a look at the left side menu where you'll see an option labeled Website. Go ahead and click on that, and directly underneath it, you'll find Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to choose which website you want to edit. This is particularly helpful if you manage multiple sites under one account. Select the site where you'd like to add your PDF document. Once you've made your selection, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This takes you into the actual site editor where you can make all your customizations. When the editor opens up, make sure you're on the Build menu at the top. This is where all your design elements and building blocks live. It's the core area for adding content to your pages. On the left side panel, you'll see various elements you can drag and drop into your site. What we're looking for here is the PDF document element. Scroll through the list until you find it. If you can't immediately see it, don't worry. Just click on Show All Elements to expand the full list of available options. Once you've located the PDF elements, simply click and drag it into the area of your website where you want the document to appear. This drag and drop functionality makes it super easy to position your content exactly where you need it. After you've placed the element on your page, click on it to activate the upload function. This will prompt you to upload your PDF file from your computer. Select the file you want to add, and it will be embedded directly into your website, and that's it. You've successfully added a PDF document to your Weebly website, making it accessible for all your visitors to view or download. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.